The Albuquerque Public School District held a meeting tonight for parents worried about a whooping cough outbreak. There have been 32 confirmed cases of the disease, 2 suspected, all at La Cueva High School. Whooping cough, or pertussis, is highly contagious, and while it isn't typically life-threatening for teens and adults, it can be for infants and people with weak immune systems. Tonight, the district gave out free pertussis and flu shots. Some parents say it's better safe than sorry.
Well, we heard about the outbreak of pertussis here in the community and just wanted to make sure that both our sons are protected against it.
Most parents were alerted to the outbreak by an automated call from the school.